bounded sequence. So bounded sequence we define in two ways: bounded above and bounded below. So what is bounded above sequence? A sequence Sn is said to be bounded above if there exists in nature a real number capital K such that Sn less than equal to K for all natural number belongs to n. What does it mean? जे किसी एक रियल नंबर में ए सीक्वेंस बाउंडेड है, किसी एक रियल नंबर के सीक्वेंस का जितना भी वैल्यू है किसी एक रियल नंबर से ऊपर है, ठीक है। जो each term of a sequence is greater than a fixed value k. Suppose the value of k is 5, the sequencing value is less than 5, like as 4, 3, 2. Okay, this sequence is bounded above because the sequence is bounded in a maximum value. Okay, suppose here, so here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the above value is 5. The sequence is bounded above, bounded in 5. So here is the capital K equal to 5. Okay, and similarly a sequence Sn is said to be bounded below if there exists a real number small k such that this. किसी एक वैल्यू, एक रियल नंबर, फिक्स्ड रियल नंबर, सपोज द फिक्स्ड रियल नंबर इज 3. ओके, जो सीक्वेंस का जितना टर्म है ना वो एक फिक्स्ड वैल्यू से ऊपर है, ठीक है। सो each element of a sequence is greater than equal to k. Suppose here is the small value is k, the each element of the sequence is greater than equal to k. So here 4. So the sequencing value, suppose k equal to 3, the sequencing value is start from 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the minimum value is 3. Okay, here the maximum value is 5. If both the occurs simultaneously, togetherly, is called bounded sequence. A sequence Sn is said to be bounded sequence if it is bounded above and bounded below as well as. Okay, that is the sequence is bounded if this condition is satisfied. Sn is greater than equal to small k and less than equal capital K. Okay, so we explain this boundedness by an example. Okay. So let Sn equal to 1 by n. So putting the natural value n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we get 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, dot dot dot. So if we take n tends to infinity, we get 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity means 0, but not equal to 0. The value is approaches to 0. So what we can conclude that we calculated that the sequences have highest value is 1 and the lowest value is 0. So it is bounded. Okay, the bounded above value is 1 and the bounded below is 0. So it is bounded because its value is lies between 0 and 1. So the maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is 0. Here capital K equal to 1, small k equal to 0. So this condition. Okay, so we take another example. Sn equal to minus 1 to the power n. So the sequencing value is minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1, like is going this. So in a sequence, one value cannot be repeated twice. So we get. So this is the range set of the sequence is finite. So it is a finite sequence. Okay. So the sequence are bounded in two values. This is, suppose this is origin, this is minus 1, this is plus 1. Okay, the sequencing value of this sequence is lies between minus 1 and 1. जो इस सीक्वेंस का हर एलिमेंट -1 और 1 के बीच में है. Okay, so the sequence is bounded above at capital K equal to 1, small k equal to minus 1. So Sn. Okay, so we take another example. Suppose sine function. Sine function. The sine or cos function. The sine function value is lies between what? Minus 1 and 1. So it is also bounded because the lower bound is minus 1, the upper bound is plus 1. Okay. We take another example. Sn equal to n square. We have to check that this sequence is bounded or not. Okay. So first we put n equal to 1. What do we get? 1, 4, 9, 16. Dot. जब बाउंडेडनेस चेक करने का ये छोटा तरीका है. Yeah, a small technique we have to use to check the boundedness is what the firstly we put n equal to 1 and n tends to infinity. And n tends to 1 in every sequence we got n tends to n equal to 1. That is a value exact. That is a 1 value we get in every sequences. But we have to check that putting n tends to infinity, that what the sequence Sn tends. Okay, I mean to say that the sequencing value tends to what? Okay, if we put n tends to infinity. If we put n tends to infinity, we get Sn tends to infinity. Sn tends to infinity means the element of the sequence is start from 1, 4, 9, 16 up to infinity. It has a lower bound 1, small k, but the upper bound is infinity. So the sequence, since there is no exact value of capital K, so we directly cannot say that the sequence is bounded because the upper bound is infinity. So we say that this sequence is not bounded. That is unbounded. Okay. Thank you.